bypassing the hotspot authentication, by removing the grid modifications to deploy them, like earning money lots. Whatever you do, do not tie them username or like password in clear text, use SSL, things like that. So basically giving a hotspot access away for free and sticking your full customer with the bill, make us a part as a value added service. So that's about it. Since nothing fancy compared to the other talks, especially the techniques presented here is not new. But by this talk, I really want to deliver a moral message that this nowadays wireless technology are currently widely used and vulnerable to many different kind of attacks. So that's about it. Is there any questions? Yes, Anthony? You shouldn't ask question.
Well, it's not really a question.
Okay.
It's just a bit of comment, because I told a lot of people, especially the one that were in our class, that they should attend Jim's talk because it will be funny. And so I just wanted to make a comment, because Jim probably cannot tell, but me, I didn't promise anyone not to tell. So actually, what he wanted to show is how you can bypass most of the security in most hotels, including this one. That was the hotel that he wanted to mention. And it was really funny because we wanted to, I don't know if Greg is in the room, but we were supposed to give him 60 ringgit because I think for the first night we were here, it was charged 3 times for the internet. And then we realized that we didn't have to charge him 3 times for the internet because we just charged 1 time, and any number of people could use it. They just had to use the same MAC address. So I think Jim went to him and checked something on his laptop. And no, but one of the things that really bothered me was that not only you could get free internet, but also you can get the whole list. In 5 minutes, you get the whole list of all the guests and their room numbers. And as you've seen yesterday, once you have the room number and the name of someone, you can get a new key really easily. And I think that it's a bit of a problem. You see all those wireless technology, and they're not ready. Actually, in the new ISO 17799 standard, they say you have to be careful, you have to secure wireless network. But later on, they say, but you have to be careful because wireless security mechanisms are immature. And today is a bit of a problem. We try to build a wireless network and everything. I use wireless every day, but it's not ready for consumer use. And we have to think if it doesn't introduce new risk. And I think that it's not acceptable that, for example, most hotels will disclose privacy information about a guest, and we should do something about it instead of trying to impeach a speaker to disclose information about it. Anyway, that's just a comment.
Thank you for giving me a hard time.
And well, it's not a hard time. I mean, okay, thank you.
Okay, is there any other question? Yes, sir?
Is it WPA protocol is much more safer than WDP protocol?
Well, actually, really depends. In a while, WPA, well, some researchers already found new bugs, but haven't disclosed it yet. You have to realize that nowadays no one talks about something new. Not really nothing new, but many of them realize that every little information has a value. And nowadays the value will rise up like crazy. Like for a simple vulnerable, it's cost you probably like 15 grand. So that's about it. I cannot answer that. Is there any questions? Is there any jokes? Okay, thanks a lot.